Oh, that's the screen. Hi! That's the screen, guys. And we're playing a game today. I'm playing with my brother, Tim, over there. And this is Sibling Rivalry. Thanks for joining us. What are we playing today, Tim?
We're playing Demolition Derby by John Gabbard.
On the CoCo!
This is a car bouncing game, and you bounce and destroy cars for points. And we play at the same time.
Oh, we play at the same...
We
You didn't tell me that.
I did not tell you that.
He's such a sneak. And I got the Black Beauty, and I got a Cosmopolitan. I need that one first.
Yeah, I got a Cosmo as well. Let's...
Yum!
Oh, yeah, that's a good one. You ready, AJ?
As ready as I'm ever going to be.
Duel or team? Duel.
Okay.
That means we can bounce each other into the...
That means I'm going to die a lot.
Oh, were you red or are you blue?
I don't know. I won't move my joystick. You do. You do it. Okay, you're the one on the right. I'm the one on the left.
I'm blue.
Oh. Is that you?
Remember, I'm blue.
Oh my gosh. I don't feel like this joystick is very helpful.
Joystick is fine. Ooh, we can't touch.
If we hit each other, we die. Oops!
Yeah, that was easy to figure out.
Who scores whose?
Who scores whose?
I only see one
score.
score.
Oh, we're playing team.
I thought you said duel.
I thought we were
Oh, I
playing
just died. I guess we'll have to play another round. You didn't check far enough.
Oh. We could stop it.
No, this is good practice. Oh, oops. I forgot that was you.
I forgot that was you.
Okay. Oh, AJ, you dumb idiot. I was looking at Tim.
You are the red car, AJ.
I'm the red car. Tim died too.
Tim died too.
Hey, those fuel tanks can't be pushed around very easily. Did you notice that?
Mm-hmm.
That's annoying.
Wouldn't want it to be easy.
Is that the end? Okay. Oh, that was player one.
All right, let's try this again. So 2 players. Team or duel? Duel.
That's what you did.
That's what I thought I did.
Ah! I was trying to get over it, wouldn't let me.
Yeah.
Are you sure the button doesn't do anything like put the brakes on?
I didn't read the manual.
No, it doesn't seem to.
I don't see...
Oh, that one killed you.
So now there's no score.
I just killed you.
You did?
Yeah. But I thought I didn't die though. Oh.
Oh, there is a score. Fuel trucks don't give you points.
No, but they give you fuel. Cause see how I'm half empty?
Right, but I was wondering why there was no...
Cause all you did is do fuel.
Yeah.
Wait, I just got that. I just bumped one in.
You are red.
I know, and I bumped one into the wall and I didn't get any points.
Yeah, you did.
Wait.
You're not very good at this game.
No, I'm confused. Am I the right score or the left score? Because my car is on the left side.
Game over, player 2. All right, let's try it again. 2, duel.
So we're playing together, but the score counts for player 1 or player 2.
We each have separate scores. It'll show up when we start making points.
It doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. Get away from me, Tim. You stay on your own side.
Yes. You are on the left-hand side. I am on the right-hand side. You are red. I am blue.
Okay. Okay. Hey, Quit going so fast. Oh. Is that a tank or something?
Looks like it.
Damn it. I just died.
You did. But you have a higher score.
That's unusual. Brr, brr. Oh, I tried to get over, it wouldn't let me. Oh, those tanks really get you. Oh! That's lame.
Very lame.
But my score is 1,000. That's better than it was.
Remember to reset your joystick position when you die.
Why?
Because you'll run yourself into the wall.
So I just need...
Game
We
over.
tied!
You're tied now, but you have extra play.
How do I have extra play?
I don't know, but you have low fuel.
Damn it. We tied.
All right, the game that we finally figured it out, we tied.
Yep. But I don't understand... Oh, so that's my score. Player one? Am I player one?
No, I'm player one.
Okay.
That's the selection.
Oh. So the two high scores are you and me.
Yeah,
And the next two are you and me.
yeah.
And then the next one I didn't probably...
You probably didn't score at all.
Probably.
Probably.
Alright. Are we playing again?
Yeah. 2 and duel.
2 out of 3?
You want to try 2?
Does a tie count as I win?
Tie counts as a tie.
So we gotta
Remember
play.
to center your joystick.
It's centered. Oh, I got rid of you. Isn't that crazy?
Why didn't I kill you?
I don't know. But let's not try it again. Oh! Damn it, Timothy! So, is that you 200 points? Oh no, now you have 200.
No, I have 200. How did that happen? Wow.
Wow. You impressed?
I'm impressed.
Thank you.
Pretty bad at this game.
How are you bad at this
You're
game?
pretty good at this game.
Hey! Woo! Oh, ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, ooh. Yeah, fuel. Oh, whoa! Woo! That was so close for me! Ah!
I wasn't watching.
I didn't think I was gonna make it.
Ah, come on. The ricochets send you right in the wall.
Oh!
I think player one's over.
Well, then I win.
You do, but you get more playtime. I was sure I was going to win this one.
Oh!
Garbage truck, race car.
Oh! Woo! Oh, get in there. And get in there. And get in there, get in there. Get in there.
How did you kill that car in the middle of the road?
I don't know.
Those trash cans are pretty heavy.
Is that what that is?
Looks like it.
Oh,
Oh, you could have had it.
I missed it.
Go for the points.
I am!
Yeah.
Oh.
I think you got one more life.
No, really?
Yeah, I did really bad.
Does that mean I'm winning?
Yeah, it does.
Does that mean I'm winning in the competition?
Mm-hmm.
Does that mean we don't have to play anymore?
No, we still have to play more.
I vote. Oh.
Oh, if they're running at high speed and you go into them, then they get destroyed.
Well,
Interesting.
1400. I have high score.
You do have high score.
High score. High score. High score. I got the high score.
Very proud of you, AJ.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Damn you.
That was not on purpose. That was... Oh, shit. That was not on purpose. That was bad luck. You stay on your side of the screen.
You stay on your side of the screen.
Oh. Whoa. Oh! The fuel tank got me! Okay. Oh, I'm not doing as good this time. Wow, you're already at 1600?
I am.
Well, I think I'm out.
I learned that
Oops, I am out. I didn't even have one score.
No,
I didn't even have one.
You didn't have any points. I think you got some fuel trucks, though.
That didn't help me at all. 19. Oh, no. You beat my high score. Are we still tied then for wins?
Oh, out of fuel. 2100. I believe that puts me at the leaderboard.
Is that how we're counting it? Leaderboard? Or are we counting it
Of course we're counting
2 out of 3? Thought we were playing 2 out of 3.
I still want to play more.
Which means we've tied twice. You beat me twice. I beat you once.
Or something like that. I'm not paying attention.
Look, it's right there.
Look, I have the high score.
Look, the first round I got 100, you got 300. The second round we both got 700.
Yes.
The third round we both got 1100.
That's all here and good, but
No, that's not true because I got 1400 when you didn't get anything, or you didn't get it. You just started that without giving me notice.
I thought you heard me click.
Oh, you see how he cheats? Yeah. This is what I have to put up with on a consistent basis. On a consistent basis. Oh, mother.
Mother what?
Okay, this is over, Tim. This is over. Oh, Timothy! Quit hitting me! Don't you hit me. Oh. Oh.
And now I get extra gameplay.
A lot. Look at that. Yeah. Okay, I clearly got lucky on that one round. I mean, in real life, if you hit a fuel tank, you die.
AJ, is this real life?
It's real life in my mind.
gonna run out of fuel.
Good. Or death.
Death by car. Death by demolition derby.
Oh, but you keep your fuel this level. You don't get a new fuel.
Oh.
Wait, you hit that one fuel tank in.
Yeah, but the fuel doesn't count for a second and a half until afterwards.
Oh.
Yeah, it's kind of.
But 2100, good score. All right, I think it's official. You won.
Finally.
Finally. I hardly win anything at all.
I would like to rate this game.
I get to rate first.
As the true winner.
I rate
Demolition
first.
Derby
I rate first.
on the color
I
computer.
rate first because you rated first last time.
Okay.
I rate it 2 drums.
2 drums?
2 drums.
Bang drums?
Yeah.
Drums of oil?
No, drum.
Ear drums?
No, drums. Brrrr. Brrrr.
Snare drums.
Whatever. What do you rate it?
I rate it 3 demolition derbies.
You can't rate it the game itself.
Wait, let me ask the person in charge. Hey, can I do that? Yeah. We're all above board.
You did it wrong. You should have been, hey, can I do it? Yeah, go for it. You didn't look the other way.
Oh, I could do some trick editing too.
You really missed out, Tim.
Hey, can I do that? Yeah. Thanks, man. You're the best.
But he forgot I'm actually in charge, and I said no.
All right, good, because I don't like putting extra effort into the editing.
You wouldn't have anyway.
That's true.
He doesn't even always put the links. But then again, I haven't been putting the titles. I'm sure you guys have noticed.
Yeah. She'll catch up.
I'll catch up.
She'll mustard it in the ketchup.
Well, you did it again.
Without even meaning to.
Yep.
You fucked us.
No.
Every single one of you fucked us.
No, they did not. They've been supporting us. It's been lovely.
Yeah.
Except we need some more subscribers or something.
No, we don't. We need more views.
Oh.
If you come across a computer that has YouTube up, search for our videos and play them.
And watch it again.
We got playlists and turn it to auto. They'll all play.
Yeah. Kind of like when you AFK in Minecraft to get your farm working. Just AFK watching YouTube.
Yeah, our playlist.
And watch our playlist and just let it autoplay. And we'll get lots of views.
I don't think that'll plan to work. I think after 3 videos, it has a button that
Does
says,
it do like Netflix? Are you still watching?
No.
And then it deletes. And then because you don't say yes, it like rejects all of them.
I hate the one where it comes up and says, "Are you having sex with your girlfriend?" Why would it say that? Does it have a camera that I don't know about?
What girlfriend?
Hey.
Oh, never mind.
Guy can dream.
A guy cannot dream. I mean, you can. You should.
Damn straight.
All right. Well, look at that. I'm almost done with my drink. That means the game is over, and we get to go home and make another drink and play another game.
All right. Switching systems this time, but it's a new system for you every time.
Well, we'll see you next time, and thanks for watching. Bye!
Bye.